Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Mike Susko.
Well, it's definitely a windy day out there. Good evening. And here's some of the highest wind gusts we've seen so far in the Susquehanna Valley. 60-mile-per-hour gusts in Carlisle, 40 in Harrisburg, up to 54 there in Lebanon, and 58 in Lewistown. 54-mile-per-hour gusts in York. Here's a look at the radar estimated rainfall from the past 24 hours. We had those scattered showers and thunderstorms come through earlier today, and where we did get some of that rain, we did pick up a couple hundredths of an inch. It wasn't a lot, but we did see a little bit of rainfall across the area. You could see there, York ended up getting 8 hundredths of an inch of rain. Now, Storm Team Live Radar Network showing a few scattered showers still left over there by I-99, but as they come over the mountains, they're kind of dissipating, and we expect that to continue here as we go through the next couple of hours. But I can't rule out an isolated shower here, especially northwest of Harrisburg. Winds are out of the northwest. They will continue as we go through tonight and your Wednesday. So gusty winds overnight tonight, and they will be sustained out of the west here around 15 to 25 miles per hour. Gusts getting close to 35 and 40 miles per hour. So if you have trash day tomorrow, make sure your trash can's tied down or at least secure so it's not blowing around the neighborhood. Strong winds do continue throughout the day on your Wednesday. Calm conditions, though, return Thursday. So if you have trash day Thursday, you'll be okay. But tomorrow, it's going to get blown around here. Tonight, partly cloudy, 40 degrees, and it will be brisk. As we go into tomorrow morning, more clouds than sun. It'll be windy and chilly with temperatures right around 44 degrees. And then in the afternoon, sun and clouds. It'll be windy and cooler. We're looking at 52 for a high tomorrow. But here's a look at the wind gusts. They will get back upwards around 30 to 35 miles per hour in the afternoon. Some places, especially in the ridge tops, getting close to 40 miles per hour, but they should not be as strong as what we had today. So that's good news, but still going to be a day where you need to make sure anything outside is secured. Harrisburg, a lot of cloud cover here, but it is dry outside. Current temperature in the city is 47 degrees, but that wind making you feel more like 41 out there. So we got a little bit of a wind chill out there because of those strong winds, and with that, they'll be blowing around some of the pollen. Pollen tomorrow will be high, mold levels low, air quality is good. That's actually one of the benefits of having strong winds, is that kind of gets the air quality pretty good here. UV index will be moderate with burn time of 40 minutes. And as we show predictor here, we see the precipitation shutting off as we go through the overnight hours, and then tomorrow it's going to be cloudy to start, but then sunshine to end as we go through your Wednesday. High pressure makes a return though on Thursday. That calms that wind down, and we'll see a lot of sunshine as we go into your Thursday. And Thursday is actually looking like a pretty decent day. So here's a look at your remote forecast. 52 tomorrow, morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. Mostly sunny on your Thursday. A light breeze and comfy as we head into your Friday. Partly sunny and warm. We're looking at temperatures getting back to around 70 degrees. And then for Easter weekend, check this out. Saturday, very warm. Could see a few scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening, but that 78 is going to be really nice. Easter Sunday itself, we're looking at 66 degrees here, but it does look dry right now. So your 10-day forecast, we got the 50s tomorrow, but that's the coolest it's going to be all week and into next week. We'll get back into the 60s and 70s starting Friday, and then we stay there through the rest of the 10-day period.